Ready to take your workouts to the next level? Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just chasing your kids and grandchildren around, doTERRA essential oils can help energize your body, support your muscles, and speed up recovery. Welcome back, friends. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Julie, and my intention is to provide you with information to help you live your best, most vibrant life. Today, I'm sharing 4 powerful essential oils to supercharge your workout, plus some genius hacks to ease the soreness after. Let's dive in. First up, we have peppermint oil, your go-to for an instant energy boost. Just one whiff of this oil helps wake up your senses, improve focus, and even support better breathing during cardio. Hack alert, before your workout, rub a drop on your temples, the back of your neck, or your wrists for an invigorating boost. Or add a drop to your water for a natural pre-workout refresher. Now, let's talk about Deep Blue, your best friend for muscle support. Whether you're warming up or winding down, this blend helps soothe tired muscles and joints. For pre-workout, massage Deep Blue rub into your legs, shoulders, or wherever you hold tension. And post-workout, Deep Blue is a lifesaver for easing soreness and speeding up recovery. Struggling with endurance? Enter Breathe Blend. This powerful blend of essential oils helps open up airways and makes it easier to take deep breaths during intense workouts. Now, just apply a drop to your chest or diffuse it nearby before and during exercise for better oxygen flow and stamina. Trust me, your lungs will thank you. Now, after your workout, recovery is key. Lemongrass oil is fantastic for supporting flexibility and soothing overworked muscles. Try adding a few drops to a carrier oil and massaging it into sore areas after exercise. And want a quick DIY recovery blend? Mix peppermint, deep blue, and lemongrass in a roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil. It's perfect for post-workout relief. And don't forget, keeping a small pouch of these oils in your gym bag means you're always ready to perform at your best and recover like a pro. Here's a quick recap. Best doTERRA workout oils. First, we have peppermint for energy boost and focus. Next, deep blue for muscle support and relief. Then breathe for better oxygen flow and endurance. And finally, lemongrass for flexibility and post-workout recovery. Now it's your turn. Which of these oils do you love using for your workouts? Or do you have another favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your workout buddies. Stay strong, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.